I'd like to just take you through a little video showing Forex probabilities and how we can use them in our favour. I've got here a chart of the US CAD 15-minute chart, and this is just taken a snapshot taken just a few minutes ago. What I'd like to demonstrate is how probabilities in the Forex market can be determined, and how we can use those probabilities to trade with the odds on our side. Now you can see here price is around about 1.2510 at the moment. So what I'd ask you to consider is, if we took equal spots above and below that entry point, so let's say we took 80 pips above that, that would take us to about 25.90, and about 80 pips below this entry point would be 24.30. I'll just get in there. Alright, so we've got equally spaced points from our entry point. So by the laws of probabilities, price has an equal chance of going from here and hitting this point as it does from going from here and hitting this point. Now any mathematician will tell you your chances are 50-50 of price hitting here or here. Now as Forex traders, what we like to do is try and find patterns or consistencies in price to help us put the probabilities in our favour. Now here it's fairly obvious that price is moving in a down direction, and we could apply like a moving average indicator line fairly easy. I'm just drawing this manually, but we could add a SMA or EMA line to give us a quick look at where the trend is going. In this case the trend is obviously down, so you would think our probabilities, the probability of price continuing down to this line from this entry point is a higher probability than it going from here to this entry point. So they're the types of things we can do if we incorporate in our trading rules just a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So this is our risk and this is our reward. It's just a straight 1-to-1 relationship. So we've got 50-50 chance of winning or losing this trade, and if we just incorporate this one extra factor, just trading with the trend, then there's a very good chance that we will win this trade over losing it. Now probabilities as they are, we need quite often to actually execute quite a number of trades for the odds to work out in our favour, because price might go up this way 9 times out of 10 and the 10th time go down this way, but more than likely it will continue down. In fact, I actually got into this trade back here around 1.2560, so I'm already sort of in profit. And of course what you can do as price is moving in your favour, you can start to move your stop loss point down. Now there's other things we could do as well as following the trend. We can look at support and resistance levels. So instead of the stop being right up here, we could actually put the stop just above this high point here, because we know this high point forms a resistance level. So price is going to have trouble getting back up and through there. Alright, tomorrow I'd like to cover how our emotions or lack of discipline can make all this probability analysis go awry.